I'm John. Welcome to Unboxed, distributed by BlueStar. Today we're going to take a look at Elo's durable I-Series steel display, perfect for harsh environments like kitchens or industrial automation, manufacturing, anywhere basically that you need a display that can stand up to some harsh all day long environmental conditions. All right, let's open up the box and see what we got inside. All right, so our box is a little bit on the minimalist side, which is great. It means quick and easy install. You've got a power adapter. You've got a plug for US and plugs for international as well. And a quick installation guide. And of course, we have the I-Series steel itself. All right, let's take a few moments and learn a little bit more about this amazing device. Available in 10, 15, and 22 inches, the I-Series steel all-in-one touch computer product line is designed intentionally for demanding environments, combining the ruggedness of a stainless steel chassis with the power of Android. You'll see on the back an integrated universal VESA for easy mounting in portrait or landscape orientation to a wall, pole arm, any compatible mount. There's also plenty of connectivity options available in these nice little compartments as well. Moving around to the front, this screen is both scratch and shatter resistant with its chemically strengthened glass made complete with its 10-touch PCAP interactive design and easy to clean exterior. The I-Series steel is purpose-built to thrive in food and beverage as a kitchen display system, processing orders across the hustle and bustle of kitchens and production lines, resisting heat, spills, and corrosion. It also handles the challenging conditions that come along with industrial automation through manufacturing environments, including dust, moisture, and vibration. Thanks so much to Elo for letting us show you the I-Series steel. Of course, if you are interested in getting one for you or one of your customers and pricing it out, please check with your BlueStar rep or reach out to the BlueStar Elo team.